BridgET is a European project founded within the framework of the Erasmus School, and our goal is to train students in a scientific topic which is the one that bridges the gap between the land and the sea.
In the land-to-sea approach, we try to guess a continuous model starting on land or on the sea and then going to the other environment. The problem is that usually we have different communities working on land or in the offshore realm, and therefore to create a seamless model, really a continuous model from land to sea, is quite challenging and not very easy.
During this meeting, we want to summarize the activities that we have done during the previous summer school, Santorini, but it was also useful to get in touch with colleagues and to try to understand how can improve the quality of the next summer school, so the one that we will have on Mount Etna, and of course the one that we will have in 2024 in the Maldives.
We also discussed on how to involve more the students in order to co-create the knowledge for them. Not just one way of communication, but really having the students more involved in this co-creation project.
We choose Santorini for the summer school of BridgET because Santorini has the capability to have lots of natural disasters. We collected SWOT data in a very shallow area at the southern part of Santorini, named as Red Beach. And also we collected some SWOT data within Santorini caldera. We also use an ROV in order to collect optical images from the seafloor of Santorini.
We usually do projects for industry, such as critical energy infrastructure, but also research projects for universities. We are specialized in doing surveying and mapping under extreme environment. We also do our own hardware development, so we are able to integrate different kinds of sensors on our platforms.
Mount Etna is a very beautiful location, but is an important and recognized worldwide laboratory. I think it's a very important opportunity, not only for students but also for teachers, to transfer what we have learned during years to students, and also students have the opportunity to test and practice in the field.
Mount Etna is one of the best laboratories to study onshore and offshore geology and to bring it together in a holistic way. Because we have on the one hand the volcano building up onshore, but having its effect far into the offshore realm.
The BridgET project wants to give great relevance to a new technology, which is VR, virtual reality, because we believe that this new approach can really improve the way in which we can teach students some scientific topic. In particular, the VR can improve their perception of a hidden environment, which is the submarine environment.
So we use a combination of onshore and offshore technologies to bring everything together in a virtual environment, which is most appealing if you get a very high resolution and a very nice, appealing or nice looking environment where stakeholders, students or even decision makers can relate to.
We can offer unique opportunity to collect data on the field, to process data with dedicated software that in general are not commonly used in normal courses at universities, and to see on the field what does it mean, look at the data, investigate environmental issues and process the data in order to get proper results, to develop measures and propose action to mitigate according to the different geohazards that can be present in a given region.